My life could have worse. So me a search for happiness.
I'm gonna try to surprise you.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, we know I
Happy birthday to you. You're supposed to sing with me, Jam. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Go for yourself. No, I don't want to do that.
I'm blowing candles.
Oh, okay, come blow a candle. Me.
Blow your candles out.
Make a wish?
Man.
Daddy, make a wish?
Tired like a dog puppy. Big up. Come give me a kiss, boy. Come.
Not too bad at all. Not too bad. My name is Louie. I'm looking after you today. Can I get you going to some beverages to start with?
I'll get water. He'll get, what do you want? Apple juice or orange juice? Or water?
I want to have coconut. I want to have a hot dog and I'd like to have that juice. I want to have that and I want to have ice cream.
Mint tea?
Peppermint.
Mint tea. Okay.
So,
What do you want for appetizer? We're gonna have
oh, that's the then if I taste bad.
It tastes really good. Wanna get a half or full?
Yeah, you know the thing where birthday something half. You know the thing where Mr. February 23rd birthday setting that we started right now. Start with the L family. I'm gonna run through this menu and see what they have available when I'm gonna eat. And then when the food comes, show now I go and get back to the birthday setting. I'm kind of tired because I literally wake up about an hour ago. So you know that's something like right now. Saturday 23rd. It's at 23rd. 2:30. So wake up from about 1 o'clock.
Okay, so I got a mint tea here.
Thank you.
Just a kitty apple juice. And water for you, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
The menu, yeah? Nice and clean and them food good, you know? What chef I tell us so. But one thing I like on them menu though, they need to take off this fried steak. And foolishness, so basically one burger patty the man them fry and talk about steak taste bad.
Oh no, don't.
Get some hot tea in my system, all this. Not
Oh, I think the guys in here.
And now red.
Okay, you need to stop going on the floor right now. It's dirty.
I just belong for a day. I need to get my cookies out.
That's sausage.
oh, yeah, man.
Okay. Hey.
How do you look, sir? Oh, yeah, Virgin?
The person who made this, I thought it was really only one sausage. Wait, not yet, Jam. Let me cut it first. Yeah, I want to cut it first. This looks so yummy.
Yeah.
We've been talking about this all day, so there you go.
As much bomba as sausage and cake?
Yeah. It's supposed to be 2, but I don't know if they give me some. Hey, here. Come on to stop.
The pancake for breakfast, no boss? For lunch or brunch? Brunch.
No. The person who made this, it wasn't the person that made it last time. I'll tell you that.
Good. Good.
Meat on here?
It say it tastes good.
There's not even no meat on here.
Did they?
Where? Literally, there's like no meat on here.
See, meat, man, at this beef crush up, blind.
But look. There's hardly any meat on it.
It's up for them style nacho.
Zesty nachos.
Zesty
There's
nacho.
usually more meat on it. I don't know what did happen today.
Yeah, so a nice little choice. And if you want to find out how to make your homemade nacho chips and nacho bowl, go for Morris Time Cooking and type in Morris Nachos. You know the thing go.
Whoever's back is stingy today. I'm not very happy.
Beauty off your pancake, my boss.
Be careful before you stab your mouth.
Making it in 5 days. Yo. You can't eat this cold like a ice. You got frozen broccoli. You can't call it big man. You eat that?
Mommy.
And the steak chewy. You can't even bite it, the blood flake. Yeah, I like the blood in there, but this is just chewy. Broccoli frozen and cold like ice. You can't name this for my money, mad? Not for changes. No.
Want some fries?
So yeah, like the steak. Steak is okay for the temperature wise, because some like it a little pink tonight, but it is very chewy. Broccoli cold like ice, got frozen broccoli. Can't eat it. I'm gonna change this right now. Let's get some egg and what? Egg and what me for this? Egg and pancake. Let's get some sides. Egg, pancake, and that's it. Egg, pancake, and potato. Just left out our people in restaurant. I'm gonna tell you, I was not, and I repeat, I was not impressed.
Okay, let me hold on. Hold on. I had to tell a little story though. They're not gonna really see my face, so I had to tell them why you didn't enjoy it.
I was not impressed. Like, when I eat off the food, man, I return the steak with a little frozen vegetable. You see me? Just have, yo, I don't know, like, eating for me, it's not the same. Like, I don't think nobody can really cook for me like that. You see me? I'm not gonna say I'm perfect, but eating out for me is not an option anymore.
I ate my
You don't like it?
What?
Honestly, I like eat out no more. You see me? I mean, if I used to really love eat out before, but you get the food, like, you can see there's no love in the food. You come send out the broccoli and the steak and just throw them on the plate, and the broccoli ice cold. Frozen broccoli are gonna serve me at that. Frozen broccoli. The steak supposed to be medium, as you saw before. Like, the steak just chewy. Like, one bite me take a mirror. Yeah, I eat the steak. All this I get what you call that? That's in there.
Yo, the ham.
The ham. This one she tell me about the ham, because I eat pork. You know that ham was going bad. You see me?
But listen, this is usually really good.
No, it's good for them breakfast.
Breakfast, yeah.
Don't try cook dinner. Don't give me no steak on it in there, because Kiki stick to the burgers on the fast food. Stick to the burgers and the fries, and on the fries good and the breakfast and the pancakes are really good. But the steak, I feel like I'm follow you. The third time I try steak and the steak
Exactly, that's what I was gonna say, because
no, but you know, say steak is a steak
no, but listen, every time we come here, it's the same thing. He always wants steak, and every time he returns it, every time he returns his steak. So it's something he always does when he comes here, and he never learns. And I literally said to him when he came, I'm like, what are you getting? He said, I'm like, steak? And he said, yeah. I'm like, don't get it. And look what the outcome was. So just don't get steak whenever you come here. Like, it's you learn from how many times, and he says the same thing over again. I'm not gonna eat, blah blah blah. But
that's the thing, like, me know say run at the back the rest of stuff them, they now gonna make it as fresh as a steak. Steak as fresh as you can get it, because nobody can play with steak, you know.
Yeah,
especially a medium or a medium rare or well done steak. You can use a cooked steak before what's man if I want, and go friggin' well done it give. So I've made well done steak, and secondly well done steak just dead. Where you want to run this so? You used to can't mad out.
Oh,
the blood of Jesus.
Mommy, Daddy.
Yeah, tear off your hat fade or something for. Can you look?
Mommy, Daddy.
Are you ready for guy yard? Yeah, that food experience was not good, but whatever.
Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome,
I was satisfied.
You're satisfied. Your food was good. That's a breakfast.
The pancakes were really good. I tell you
pancakes good, we know.
Dry.
Alright, what we need for the dinner? Tap it as a boy.
Dry.
Knock out. Anyway,
I even put the
I go in now. You see me? I'm going now. Carry them home and go up on the mall. I know me I go out tonight. You see it? Up.
Bang bang.
Soon we'll be 30 years old.
Yeah, man. You know, the thing work. We're there. So right now I'm heading to Toronto to the Black Diamond Ball hosted by Kerry Hilson. You know what I'm saying? So big up my friend Lorraine. You know? It's a birthday gift from her to myself. Never been to this bar before. She said it's an annual thing and it's massive. We have a lot of local Toronto artists, same way international stars who are going to be performing tonight. And as you all know, it's my birthday, right? So I'm going to give you a glimpse of Toronto and give you an insight of this Black Diamond Ball, you get me? When I really get the original outfit that I intended on getting, but what I have on will make do, you get me I say? It's a formal party, so we dress the part same way nonetheless. You see it? So follow me where I go to Toronto. I'll show you how I go on. Right now me in a Scarborough area, you see me? I head down. I'm gonna meet up Lorraine and her cousin just the same, you see me? This man I go out, I got a family with it. Family. This man I went out, I go have breakfast. Or this afternoon I had a breakfast or brunch with the family. So right now at Toronto where I go, you see? Lots of traffic there on the road, so you know that's something they go already. We have to watch it out, you see me? I'll play some song in the meantime.
I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. Once I was 7 years old.
Prayer from a top, small prayer from a top. Father, you step forward as I am, you know, while and everything. No me a child and everything. You want me like in the darkest night. Bad man not taste nor bite. A gal alone get to ride my bike. Bad man no broke stop light. Some boys see something on the gram and go try it. Go out with private flight. None of me split them no bout and no light. Y'all have to blow when the candle light. No man can't touch the speed, can't touch the seat. Be a gal to breathe.
Yeah, this should be a proper event. I know the ladies them out and clean and look nice, you see me? I know in general them sharp like a razor. But you don't know my thing set simple and neat, you see it? Yeah man. For those of you who have never seen the CN Tower up close before, I that what Drake said, the 6, you see me? Yeah man, I CN Tower that. And the tallest building in Canada, you see me? The CN Tower. Alright, traffic coming like it still stop up, man. Now what go on here, man? I'm in Toronto right now. You may say? Only a big building them, I have to bend my neck to see them. You know the thing where it's kinda dark, right? I say not light much. But this is it. You see me? This is a part of Toronto. You know the 6, man. Now we out here. So yeah, man, I try to see if I can find everybody. Kinda dark outside, you see it, so I know no hardly I see my face, fam. But yeah, see if I can find this hotel. Oh, It's a bit chilly out here. Okay, so this is where we're going. Royal York Hotel, Fairmount. Alright. See if I find a week too. Oh, clash in a week, you know. Go with them heavy. Alright, so valet parking. Call Lorraine and see what part she there. They're inside, I know. Hello? Yeah, I'm inside. So I'm right at the very front. Okay. Alright. So this is the thing. I'm not sure if I'm underdressed or no, most underdressed I can overdress because everybody look well elegant, you see me? Yeah. Video you. Can you look good?
Wait, good cooking exactly. Happy birthday!
Thank you. You look nice. Nice. Nice, huh?
Happy birthday, my friend.
Up top. Yo, I don't feel the birthday vibe.
Don't worry.
I feel older. That's nice. I can't believe I decided to try 28. So right now, we're doing registration. I register on collect handbands. Yeah.
VIP.
It's a VIP setting.
VIP for my birthday friend.
Up top.
Only.
Up top.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Good thing go. No man when I work all of my birthday, but to them I decide to when I work. I go come out. I look at my mother's child. You see it? Up.
I'll give you your wristbands and drink tickets.
Okay, thank you.
Your drink ticket?
Thank you. Yeah, fashion na my camera now focus. You know the thing about the black diamond ball? Camera now focus, I walk on. Thing on focus. My friend over here, so nice and clean. Backside. She boasts like chink. Yeah, man, the people them, everybody look nice and clean, you see me? Well elegant going and sit look. Lorraine, I've got to make sure you them in. But they think I kind of underdressed. Well, you know my thing go simple. I may have beat it, so comment below. Tell me happy birthday, even though this never go up until after the fact, but February 23rd. So we'll see what then, Jesus. And I say, leave finger, right? I boast it. You want a shirt?
She's getting me one of his shirts. He put his own business.
Oh. No man, I'm super hot. I mean, I have nothing underneath this. This is just what I have on. I'm super hot. So you say exactly in the sun. Where is it happening inside there?
So that's the luxury gifting lounge for celebrities. So there's a lot of Canadian artists that comes here. Fashion designers are coming under there as well. And yeah, there's a lot of goodies tonight.
Engine number 9, Golden New York Transit line. If my train goes off the track,
Pick it up, let's go. Hands up, give on. Hands up, give on. Hands up, give on. Hands up, give on. Hands up, give on.
my body, now your own.
Let's go, come on. Let's go. All West African crew. Sing the song.
Say I love you.
Hey.
My money, my body, now your own. But like give me love. I need to touch my shoulder.
Ladies, make some noise, y'all. Come on. Hey.
I say I'm not touch.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that.